Kit, the best choice of professionals.
We hear the world through sounds. We need information. We care about safety and security. We hope to stay healthy. And we enjoy happiness. Our products are extensively applied to all aspects of technology products, bringing us a splendid life experience. Kingstate's leading acoustic technology provides customers professional proposals and product designs across the world. Using the latest and advanced acoustic engineering system, we can design and make samples rapidly and accurately to fulfill customers' requirements. At the development stage, Clipple Analyzer System and Console Simulation System are used for sound quality improvement and diverse acoustic simulation to shorten project schedule and minimize cost. Authorized Skype and Cortana speech quality certification system enhances our measurement and pre-qualification service. Highly vertical integration of production. We spare no effort to automate and improve the production process. With flexible and efficient production, we constantly improve our quality and defect-free rate to minimize production cost. Quality starts from design. Good quality comes from strict control of all details. We're proud of our total quality management system and believe we can achieve our quality goals without compromise. Kingstate ceaselessly develops new technology and improves sound technology to create competitive edge for products. All efforts are geared to achieve better sound solutions and customer satisfaction.
Hello, I'm Holly, the Project Director of Vital Core Technologies. Our R&D Center dedicates to development of PLDC motors and also the controllers. Our aim is to have an energy-saving environment. Motors started from home appliance, and also this year, our R&D result expanded to medical care, industrial control, and also the electric vehicles. The following are our intro video. COVID-19 started from 2020s, Vitacourse contributes to invent control solutions in order to respond to the epidemic. So let's see more details with the videos.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. Welcome to Global Sources Live Sourcing Talk, Analyst Choice, wherein we discuss the hottest, the trendiest, and most innovative product offerings that you can source from our verified suppliers at Global Sources. So, for today's topic, we are going to be talking about the top innovative technologies in various tech industries, and we are going to be joined by verified suppliers who are members of the Taiwan Electrical and Electronic Manufacturers Association, or better known as TIMA. So they are going to be talking about more about their company, manufacturing capabilities, product offerings, their advantages if you source from them, and of course, to our beloved audience, sourcing professionals, if you guys have any questions to our guests as you watch the episode right now live, feel free to comment your questions down below, and our suppliers would definitely love to answer all your questions. Or if you guys want to let us know where you are watching in the world right now, feel free to comment down below as well so we global sources know where all our loyal viewers are. All right, so without further ado, let's bring in Holly of Vital Core Technology so she could introduce their company. Good morning, Holly.
Good morning and good morning to the guests. Good morning or good evening to the guests.
Yes.
My name's Holly, and I'm the project director from Core Technologies. I think just reviewing the videos from our company actually describe very clear about what we do, but I will still simply introduce that. Core Technologies, actually our company is very new. We founded in 2017. And our main focus is on the energy saving motor controller, which is the maybe BLDC motors or PSMS motor PCB development. So we do the power supply design and also the circuit design and also the driver solutions. Our technologies, we provide for the very full range of integration service to our customers. So we can provide design service, or also in 2020s, we have set up an SMT line, which we can assembling in Taiwan as well. So no matter no matter the customers would like to have a design service or they want a full product service, we can all provide in our companies. And our products, we also comply with the international standards, and also we can apply for example, CE, FCC, or any UL, any certificates that according to our customers' needs. And in this year, actually, it's a milestone for our company because we have honored to be part of the MIH Alliance, which are the very hot topic recently the EV vehicles. We have joined the membership, and also we are focusing on the driver PCB and also the VCU development. And next, our main focusing on the PCB developments. We are main focusing on the 4 main fields like industrial control, smart home, medical care, and also the energy saving electronic vehicles. So no matter for all the motors, they wanted to change from AC to BLDC or to PSMS, the controllers that VitaCore can customize for.
All right.
Okay, so I think this is briefly, I can briefly introduce our companies to our guests today.
Thank you, Holly. So, for all our viewers out there, Holly has mentioned a lot of their company's product offerings. So, feel free. There's actually a link of Vital Core Technology here in the description in this video. So, if you want to source from them right after this show, feel free to do so. But please stay tuned so you don't miss anything that our guest suppliers say in the interview later.
Okay, I'll still
All
keep
right?
online. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
See you in a bit, Holly. So I will call on Fanny, who will introduce ProKit. Hi, Fanny. Kindly unmute yourself. Fanny, you're on mute. Please, there you
Hello.
go.
Yes. Sorry,
Good
I forgot
morning. It's
to.
okay.
Yes, I'm Fanny from the Pros Kids. Well, actually, from our video, that I think all of you can see that we have various products. Well, Pros Kit is the Taiwan-based companies and manufacturing for the professional tools for 30 years. And Pros Kit is the brand used in ProKit's trademark. We are an international company and supplying more than 3,000 products and in the 22 category of total solution in different fields such as like electronic, computer, networking, and telecom industry, and so on. So ProKit is managing to be successful in the global market for more than 3 decades. So we have more than 30 years in the international products penetrate to every different worldwide markets. And then we go by the distributor channels. So we are thinking that we are total solution providers from just one-stop shop. Then you can buy everything that you need, especially everything needs tools, just like engineer, or like a DIY, or even from your daily life. People all need the tools. So we are mainly focused on the people's demand and the different users' applications. And we divide lots of the different tools, especially based on the Taiwan. The hand tools are very famous in the worldwide, not just the price, but the quality, and then also the supplying channel that is fulfilled for the different applications. To ProKit, we think that today's tools industry is no longer just be a tools, but it is more focused on green energy industry. As a leading international brand, we are devoted to secure ProKit's high quality product in line with the direction of the environmental friendly concept, improve product verification and reliability. The conclusion that we want to say is that choose ProKit just like our company's slogan. ProKit is a friend that you can trust.
Nice. Thank you, Fanny.
Thank you.
Thank you for that introduction of ProKit. And it's also interesting to know that you guys are a one-stop solution. It's going to be very advantageous to our sourcing professionals. So I will see you in a bit, and I will call on Emily Chen to answer the same question. Hi, Emily of King State. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, this is Emily Chen, the sales director of King State. King State was established in 1977. We are a Taiwanese-based company, and we dedicate on acoustic products for more than 44 years. Our product lines include buzzer, siren, speaker, receiver, microphone, and earphones. And our products are widely used in automotive, medical, smart home, IoT, industrial, and also the consumer products. Kingstate is a public company, and our headquarters is located in Taiwan, and we have factories in Dongguan, Suzhou, in China. And our factories have been certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. So which means that we are not only able to design and manufacture, we are also environmental and labor-friendly company. Besides, we are also certified by IATF 16949, which is the highest automotive quality standard, so that we are able to serve the very demanding automotive industry. We are also certified by ISO 13485, which is for medical application. So I think everyone can recall that the COVID-19 is quite serious for the past year. And we are very proud that we save a lot of people's life. How to say that? Because our products are installed to the very important medical device respirator. So it can help people to breathe. So I think it's pretty important, and we are very proud that we help a lot of people. So Kingstate is a reliable sound solution provider. So if you are looking for resistor or capacitor, sorry, we don't have. But you are looking for the wonderful melody or the super noisy warning signal, welcome to contact Kingstate because we are the expert of acoustic products. Thank you.
Thank you, Emily, for that introduction. So you really have a broad range of all sound solutions, which is interesting. And also, you provide in-demand COVID-19 products like the respirator. So these are highly in demand. So sourcing professionals who want to import these products they're all available from Kingstate, and you guys could click their homepage link in the description down below right after the show. Thank you, Emily. So I'll see you in a bit for the next questions. Let's bring back Holly of Vital Core Technology, and she'll tell us more about their company's products. So Holly, tell us more about your Vital Core company's best or most popular products that you think sourcing professionals should import from you.
Just talking about the COVID-19. Actually, from 2020, the COVID-19 just came, and then actually sudden all the markets we are serious about how can we prevent or protect these countries. So we came out with we call it a panic prevention series, which are because actually in 2019 we have done lots of brushless DC motors for selling fan, the controllers, and then we integrate some functions which can help the environment. So we come up with the Fee Smart Selling Fan, and it has the automation device, the sprinkling device with it. And also we developed the multifunction ERV systems, which is the energy recovering ventilators. These two series which we came out very fast during these 2 years in order to prevent the COVID. Beside the COVID products, this year, I can say this year, 2021, so we have been focusing on the wheel product, which are like e-bike and also electric wheels, because according to the environments, I think people, they are eager, the governments, they are eager to change from DC motors into BODC because of the energy savings. Therefore, some of the customers, they come to us and then they will want us to change their DC motors into BODC for power, for energy savings. So we have mainly focusing on the e-bike and also the electric wheelchair. And right now we are focusing on the EV product.
All right, thank you, Holly. So yeah, these products you mentioned are actually trending as well and very socially relevant. Especially companies are focusing on energy efficiency. So
Yes.
yeah, that's important to note. And yeah, very much highly in demand. Thank you,
Okay,
Holly.
thank you.
So I'll
Thank
see
you.
you in a bit.
Okay.
And let's bring in who's okay. So for our next product showcase, our verified supplier ProKit actually wanted to submit a product video. So here you go.
SNT-1708 Smart Digital Multimeter. This one is with one-touch function. Automatic decide allows no switching when measurement. It deals with full functions such as resistance, frequency, capacitor, and temperature test. It deals with large LCD display as providing clear reading results. Accurate value by true RMS measurement. LED light and backlight design allow to work in dark conditions. The application is suitable for RD research, water and electricity maintenance, even DIY measurement at home.
I'd like to introduce our CP751 series. Idea is comes from the common crimper is difficult to crimping wheel in tiny terminal. Therefore, we launched CP751A with two-state die set which is suitable for long, short terminal. After market survey, we decided to have complete series, like the model name. This series with 7.5 inch with compact size. Total has 7 models by different applications.
Next one is our new multi-function soldering and desoldering station, SS988. It's a soldering iron, desoldering gun, LED light, smoke absorber, USB charger, and tape cleaner. SS988 has 6 functions, but in one station. It can save the placement space for different machines to provide the engineers with a more convenient and efficient working environment. Still display with the individual function star, and the screen color change once the temperature reach the setting. User-friendly. Small tip cleaner. User just need to insert the soldering tip into the cleaner port and the device will automatically start cleaning. It makes the soldering work much efficient. Adjustable smoke absorber. It kills the smoke to protect the user healthy. LED light with a shot to offer an excellent working condition. SS988 is ideal for 3C products maintenance, electronic factory, school education, and the workshop job. Thank you for your watching.
Rose Kit.
All right, thank you, Broskit, for sending that very comprehensive product video. So now let's bring Emily Chen of King State, and she'll talk about their company's top offerings. Hi again, Emily. Feel free
Hi.
to let us know more about your company's best offerings that you think our audience should source from King State.
Okay, so before I introduce our new products to everyone, I would like to demo the sounds that we can listen in our daily life so that you can have idea about that.
Sure.
And in order to avoid the sound is too loud, so I will lower my speaker, the sound.
All right.
So it's the sound that we can listen when we see the car want to be reserved.
Mhm.
So this is the sound that when someone try to steal the car.
Okay. Emily, sorry, we can't hear anything. Did you play an audio sound?
Okay. So I will repeat again.
All right.
So you can listen now.
No, we can't hear it. I'm so sorry. There's
Okay.
nothing. Is it on your? Is it thing on your earphones? Perhaps you could play it on your speaker so the mic could hear it.
Okay.
Mhm.
So just a moment.
Sure. There you go. We could hear it. Yes.
Okay. So here's a sound for car reversing A.
Mm-hmm.
So the next one. So this is the sound when someone tried to steal the car.
Oh, very alarming indeed.
And I try to make the sound lower to
Mhm.
protect your ears. And the next one. Oh, you got visitor to your home.
Mhm.
So that's the doorbell.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is the sound we can listen in our daily life. And I would like to introduce the first one.
There. Yeah. Can you put it up higher? Yes. There we go. So
Yeah.
automotive SMD
So
buzzer.
it's the automotive SMD buzzer,
Mm-hmm.
and it looks like this. Sorry, very small, so I tried.
There you
So
go.
for very demanding automotive industry, normally the temperature rating is required to minus 40 to 85 degrees C. But for this product, it can withstand extreme temperature from minus 40 to 105 degrees C. And it's a SMD type, easy for assembling. Besides, normally for this type of product, the frequency is around 4,000 Hertz, which is not very comfortable for human ears inside the car. So we make a breakthrough to lower the frequency to 2K Hertz. And by this compact size, it also have 88 dB, which is very loud. For this product, we already have patent for Taiwan and China market. So this is the first one for automotive. So the second one is the multi-tone buzzer for medical application. So we are applying IEC 6060118 for medical. And this one has the high SPL, and also you just need to drive it by low voltage 5 VDC, and it can generate the multi-tone. So you can see that there's a different pins at the bottom. And here is the real part.
There.
Okay, so I would like to demo the sound for this.
Okay, sure. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can use the different tone from the non-emergency to emergency case.
Okay.
And the next one is for safety and security product.
Mm-hmm.
Here is the product surface. So in the past, the product is just like this big, and the sound emission hole is at the top. But for this one, we designed the sound port to the side. so that the engineer will have more flexibility for their cavity design. So you can compare the two products different. You can see
There.
this big and this big.
Mhm.
So that's the size is pretty different. We make it pretty slim. And for this one, we also apply pattern for Taiwan and Chinese markets. So the next one is for ecosystem. It's a speaker. And it's the one looks like. So for this one, it has high reliability in high temperature and high humidity. So normally for this type of product, it can pass around 200 hours. But for our product, it can pass 1,200 hours testing. So that means the life is around 6 times longer. Besides, it has low distortion and the low frequency. Normally, for this type of product, the distortion is around 5% to 10%, but we can make it under 3%. Besides, it has very good performance at low frequency, just because we can have the low distortion for this part in low frequency. And the next one is the sound output. So the minima is 82 dB, and it's around 5 dB louder than similar size product. And it also has waterproof IP65 rating. So,
All right.
Yeah, generally speaking, our product's advantage is to make the compact size with the very good performance. Thank you.
Thanks, Emily. Yeah, it's interesting. They're also tiny and easy to install. And thank you also for talking about the specs. I think our sourcing professionals would like to know how much better your product offerings are compared to your competitors. Thanks, Emily. So now we move on to our next question, and I am going to be bringing in our other guests. So welcome Holly and welcome Nikki of ProKits. So we are going to be talking about innovation. So let's start with Holly. Tell us more about a vital course innovation. Like, how do you constantly strive for innovation?
Because actually I stay in my office, but I will go to our platform and see. I'll just move myself
All right.
to wherever that I can present my product. I think that will be more easier for
there we go.
our guests to see that, because like in 2007 and 2018 we are selling fan brush release DC motors companies. However, from years to years we have established many kinds of like a PCB regarding to the selling fan, and also we have different products for like motors for e-vehicles. These are all for the e-vehicles, and these are for more multi-functions selling fan PCB, which we integrated different functions and device into this PCB. But this year's our innovative products are this one. This is our ERV systems. Before we design only for the PCB drivers, and right now we come up with a product switch that we design by our development team. So this is our target to have better ideas and also all our products that we are using the DC motors, so which are energy savings and also innovative ideas in it.
All right. Thank you, Holly, for that answer. So now we know Vital Core focuses on a lot of energy saving technology. Okay, now let's move on to Nikki of ProKit. Same question. So, how important is innovation to ProKit, and how does ProKit strive for innovation?
Hi, this is Nikki from PressKit. As everybody knows, the slogan of Nokia is the people connecting. And in Chinese, we translate it into the technology from human nature. And so as innovation, we say the innovation from the market demand. And so why should we say that? Because our innovation not only for the products and also for the market support. As for the products, because as you know, First Kit is come from the professional tools kit, and we keep upgrade our products from time to time. As you may see from the video, like the crimper. In the past, a crimper is very big. So like the small hand like me, it is very unfriendly. I have to be honest. But now we have the smaller one, so it will be more friendly for the people like me or like the men who have the smaller hands or like our Asian people. Okay. And all the meters. In the past, the meter with the true RMS function is also for the only for the large meter, but now we also apply it to the smaller one, so it will be more convenient. And moreover, I have the little helper who tries to give me the product.
Okay.
Okay, this is the crimper, I think. The smaller one, so it will be more convenient for me. Okay, and this is the smaller meter, but with the full function. We say we have the small meter with the full function and even with the large meters function. And we not only upgrade our products individual one, we also include in our toolkit. Okay, come here, my little helper. Okay. Like
There we
one.
go.
So yes.
Oh wow, you guys came prepared.
Yes, we have well prepared. Okay, thank you. So as you can see, we are the total solution for our products and also for our marketing support. Maybe you may see our products on the Global Source website. We have the feature page. The feature page is very popular in China, mainland China market, but it's not very common in foreign markets like America or Europe. It's not very usual. But we translate into English version and including our product video. So customer can choose the products very easily and also help our distributor to promote our products. And our innovation is for the products and for the service, like I say right now, from the pre-sales to the after-sales, help our customer and our distributor to choose our products more easily. And so let's say people connecting, technology connecting, and welcome to connect to PressKit.
Thank you so much, Nikki. So, wow. Yeah, your innovation is not just for the products, but also everything after sale. So it's going to be easy for your customers to source from ProKits. And also, you noted that you always keep your products up to date. So for sourcing professionals who want to really get the latest in tooling solutions, so you guys could source from ProKits. So thank you, Nikki. So, Emily, same question. So, how does King State work on innovation?
Okay, King State keep investing for R&D's innovation. We invest console and clipboard analyzer system to calculate and simulate the product's performance before it goes to mass production and even for tool. And we also built a speech quality lab, which is qualified by PAIL Lab to measure and adjust the best product performance for Skype and Microsoft Teams. And we also construct the Amazon Alexa and also Microsoft Cortana speech recognition platform for test the product to make sure the best performance when our products installed to customers' products. Besides, we also value the R&D talents as the most important property of King State. So we strategically cooperate with EATD and also the domestic and international institutes to keep technical upgrading. And our engineers are not just only staying at the office. our engineers visit customers with sales together so that they have idea what the customers need. And they also attend to various industrial exhibitions to see the market trend. Therefore, because we keep putting efforts for innovation, so far we already accumulate more than 100 patents. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Emily. So, wow, that's a lot of patents for King State. Congratulations. So, now we shall be talking about Taiwan in general. And I heard, let's see. Okay, let's add Fanny of Brokit. So, tell us more about Taiwan's advantage as an electronics sourcing hub compared to other countries. What do you think makes Taiwan special? So, let's start with Holly.
As I just explained that, because VitaCore, actually, we are a very new company. We only established 4 years ago. However, we set our SMT line in Taiwan because that we know which RD centers, they need to keep their technologies in their countries. This is our main target, to set in our RD centers and also our factories in Taiwan. In order to keep all these innovative ideas and also all those component sourcing in Taiwan, we need to keep our one-stop line in Taiwan to satisfy our customers' needed, and also to make them cure which all the components are MIT products. I think this is the main idea, which Taiwan has the advantage because we have technical people, and also in our companies, we are hardware engineer and software engineer. They are all doing the programs by themselves. This technology, we are not cooperate with other vendors. So this is the main targets, to keep all the technologies in our companies and also in our factories.
All right. Thank you, Holly. Thanks for mentioning those advantages of Taiwan. So how about Fanny of Brokits? Fanny, can you unmute yourself?
Okay.
Got it.
Yes.
There you go.
Okay. I think the advantage of sourcing from Taiwan, because I think Taiwan people is a very, very working hard and they're honest, and then always do what the word that you always whatever they say they follow, and then the products are always in the good quality because our standard is different level from other countries, and then people in Taiwan, they are more focused on development and then also creations, and then the idea probably come from the old generations, and then starting, especially the electronics generation, that is our Taiwan's advantage, and then from our last generations, and then they are more focused on electronics, and then so the semiconductors now is the best advantage of Taiwan. So I believe that everything from Taiwan is the made in Taiwan is the best solution, and then best quality. How to say? Reliabilities, and then everything is more qualified than any other countries, and that's so far that I can think.
Thank you, Fanny. Yeah, you mentioned a lot of benefits. So quality, that's very important for sourcing professionals, and it's reassuring that Taiwanese suppliers keep their word. So reliability is a strong advantage, and also your manufacturing process takes note of environmentally friendly processes. So thanks, Fanny. So
Thank
how
you.
about Emily? King State, same question.
Yeah, generally speaking, working hard is the impression for most of people when they think about Asian people. And for the people in Taiwan, we are not only working hard, but also working smart. I think for Taiwan's advantage, there are three. The first one is the vertical integration. So from upstream to downstream, I think we have the very good connection from the source to the customer, so that our costs will be very competitive. And the second one is the reputation. We honor our promise. When we say yes, it just means yes, and we will do our best to achieve our promise. So the quality is not just only the product you purchase, but also the people you contact with. So the third one is the speedy flexibility, custom design and service. So when we come out the advanced design, we will bridge our factory's efficient sampling speed and also the production advantage, so that we can come out very fast sampling and delivery to customers. So conclude the advantage for Taiwan, I think that's a reliable design by competitive cost. Thank you.
Thank you, Emily. Yeah, reliable design, competitive cost. Great. Easy to remember. So yeah, take note of that. Sourcing professionals who are watching right now. Okay, so to wrap everything up, let's conclude this episode by summarizing the top benefits that you'd like our audiences to remember right after the show. So why should buyers source from Vital Core, ProKits, and King State in a brief summary? So let's start with Holly.
I think the reason that our benefits or why buyers should source from Vital Core, I can briefly say that because we are not an OEM factory, so OEM, we are an ODM design house, which we also provide the production line. So the customers can freely discuss their ideas to our companies, what kind of products they would like to change in from the previous motors to present energy saving motors, and what kind of functions they would like to put in the PCBs. It's an open topic, that open ideas that they can add in, and all our teams can also add some innovative ideas with them. This is an open platforms for customers and also for our course to develop. So not only to sell, I can say the normal products, we are selling customized products, and also we provide integrated service. I think this is the main benefit that we reach buyers. If they are finding more customized products, they can come to us.
All right, thank you, Holly. So let's move on to Fanny of ProKit. Same question.
Yeah, ProKit, as I mentioned, that we are based in Taiwan, and then I think our biggest advantage is the total solution providers, which we are providing 22 category products. These products are mainly focused on the engineer, computer networking, and telecom, every industry that are more welcomes. And also we have more than 3,000 products, and then we sell through our worldwide distributor channels. And then that's everywhere that you can easy to find our products in different countries, in different territories, especially when you work in the shop or the online shop, everywhere that you can easy to find the ProKit products. And we are also keep the innovation, as this is our company strategy, and the quality and service, which I think this is our biggest advantage too. And then we have, to the towards industries, not every company, they have a laboratory to do the test. But, when we introduce the new products into our product line, and then we do every, test, and then also do the reliability test. And then, so I think our product quality is very reliable, and sales through the worldwide channel is easy to find. And our partner, I think we can do that like Nikki mentions, we have a marketing support. And then we always do, whatever that customer needs. So this is our biggest advantage. And choose ProSkip is the real friend that you can trust.
Thank
Okay.
you, Fanny. Thank you for that conclusion of your company. So, Emily, same question.
Yeah, okay. So the reason to purchase from Kingstay is because from product design, we have very strong R&D team. So we are not only selling the sound components, we are also able to assist customers for their cavity design to make our products to fit their cavity and get the best performance. And the second one is for the quality control. We have very good certificate for ISO and IATF so that the customer can get the best product quality from Kingstay. And the most important one for the buyer is the cost saving. And because we are already in the industry for 44 years, we know how to generate the best product proposal to customer to satisfy their needs. So the customer can just buy buzzer, speaker, microphone. We offer one-stop shop to customers so that the buyer doesn't need to purchase these sound products from different places. So that's our advantage. Thank you.
Thank you, Emily. So, Holly, Fanny, Emily, you mentioned a lot of strengths of your company, and I'm sure our sourcing professionals are excited to source from your company after this episode. May I remind everyone who's watching that their company homepages are right in the video, in the description below. So you guys could click and start sourcing and browsing their products. And also, earlier in the show, if you guys have missed it, we played their company videos all together. And if you want more details, like they did a lot of demos, they put a lot of effort in the video production process. They're really amazing. So feel free to watch it at the start. You can watch the replay right here at Global Sources' YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn channels. So thank you so much, Holly, Fanny, and Emily for joining in, and also Nikki. Thank you for joining this episode. We learned a lot from your company and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
so
Bye.
much. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
All right, so that concludes today's episode about the innovative technologies offered by our Taiwan verified suppliers. So, for the next episodes here at Global Sources Live, make sure to tune in and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.